Want to know how to make a simple Father's Day card? In this Cricut card making tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step, and at the end of the video, I'll share a featured blooper. Hi, my name is Kim with KimagineDIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. If that sounds like fun, consider subscribing. Now let's just jump into the materials that we will need for this project. When you open up Cricut Design Space, we're just going to go to the text box and type in Dad. Then go over to the font, and I'm inputting Guaraldo, which I will also have it linked in the description box, as well as another video to show you how to download and upload fonts into Cricut. Then I'm going to resize the height to 3.5 inches. Then using the letter spacing, I'm going to decrease it and ungroup all the letters so I can move it easier. I like to also use the x-axis to move the letters individually, but you can also just use the mouse and move it by hand. Then to help with the color design, I'm just going to change the color to blue. And then I'm going to select all the letters while it's still unlocked and change the size to 6.5 inches in height. So while all the letters are selected, you're going to go to the offset button. So when I open up offset, I'm happy with the settings. I want a 1/4 inch all the way around and angular corners welded as well. With the 1/4 inch border, it makes the card the size that I want it to be, 4 by 7. Now select all your blue letters and click attach. Then I want to change my background to gray and click the background. Then go over to the contours button and unselect the holes, so it's one solid piece. So then select the piece, duplicate, flip it vertically so it's upside down, and then we're going to try to align it as close as we can so it's just touching, so we can weld it together for it to be one piece, and this is the main structure for the card. So now it's time to add your score line. So go to Shapes, Score Line, and I'm going to make the length 7 inches because I know that's how wide my card is. But then we rotate it 90 degrees and then center it within the card. Then I like to hit attach and then hit that score line again in your layers bar, and then I can trim it down to the size that I need, but I know it's perfectly centered. Now I just want to add just a little bit of a design element. So go to Images. I typed in the search bar tie, and on the filters I wanted a free one. So just insert that into your image, and then I'm resizing it so it just fits right into the letters, and I wanted it to be red. It reminded me of Superman colors, and because to me, my dad is my hero. Then just to be cute, I added a simple heart from the Shapes tool for inside the card. So now that we have all our pieces, we're just going to go over and click Make It. And now you can see all the images are separated by color. Now we're just going to go to Browse Materials, and for me, I have light cardstock, so I'm going to select that. And my blade is super sharp I know from doing some test cuts, so I'm actually putting my pressure on less. For light cardstock, you're going to use your light grip mat. And I'm also just using my brayer to help keep it completely flat onto the mat. Then load it into your machine and click the Cricut icon. Question of the day: do you have a Father's Day tradition? Let me know in the comments below. When weeding your paper, to keep everything flat, it's always a great tip to flip it over and then peel the mat back so you're not curling your paper. If you have any little pieces that didn't cut all the way through, you can just use a blade, or I'm just using my weeding tool. Now it's time to assemble your card. So with the score line, I wanted to fold it right away so I didn't glue my decorative elements on the wrong side, so I knew which was the outside and what would be the inside. So then I used my glue stick to glue all the pieces down. and my brayer to make sure that it was laid down flat. And here's the finished design. I'm so happy how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch the blooper at the end, and I will see you guys next week. Then I'm going to select all the letters